guys, welcome back to today's video. So I have such a fun makeup look for you today. We're doing this makeup right here, and it is Bratz. It is the new Bratz Night Out collection from Colourpop, and when it got in the mail, I was so stinking excited to film this video. So I was like, I have to do something fun, going out. Bratz is like, it's just like their makeup is so iconic, so I wanted to kind of like follow along with how they do their makeup, like a juicy lip, the like winged out eyes with the eyeshadow, and I just absolutely love how this came out. So if you guys want to find out more about the collection, like everything that's in the collection and how I got this look, then keep watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love affordable makeup looks, and let's get on into it. When I saw this collection, I knew I had to film right away, like right this second, because I was so excited. I opened up this box and I was like, oh my gosh, this collection is so stinking cute. It's called the Bratz Girls Night Out collection. Actually, here's like the little artwork that they have for it, and the artwork is so cute. Now I will say, I was never like I didn't collect Bratz dolls because I think that was like past my time. I think it was more maybe like Gen Z, like they grew up with Bratz dolls. However, I used to be obsessed with those little cartoon dolls that used to be online. I used to like put outfits on them, and that was like my jam, and I loved those cartoon dolls. And this reminds me, I think these were inspired by those cartoon dolls. I think Bratz is girly and fun, and I am so girly, and I love anything with glitter and sparkles, and this whole collection is just giving off all the girly feminine vibes. The eyeshadow palette, you guys, oh my gosh, it is so cute. I think it's just called the Bratz eyeshadow palette. Again, the cutest little visual. Let me show you the colors. Oh my gosh, this is like a perfect little collector's item if you, maybe for Christmas, know someone who likes the Bratz dolls. But I love this color scheme that they have, and I'm literally so torn. Like, I don't know what colors to do because I love the golds, the blues, the pinks, and the purples. It's going to be so hard to decide, but I did wear my fun jeweled top today. I felt like I was very Bratz. I'm wearing my sparkly choker, just like get in the mood. We have 4 different lip kits. This one is Bunny Boo. So cute. I love all the lip liners. Honestly, I think I like the lip liners in these the best. I wish there was like, I don't know why can't Colourpop come out with like a pinky nude? I feel like they never do. It's always like, I don't know, like a deep mauve, and that's like not my color. I want a pinky nude. I don't know why they can't do it. But this one is called Cool Cat. Then we have this one, which is Angel, and this is more like a brown. I think that one's gonna be so pretty. And then this one too, this is Pretty Princess. Do you guys know the Bratz stuff? Like, do you know the names? Let me know in the comments down below if you're a fan. These really cute little crystals, which should I like put these on my, I don't know, like they're kind of big. I love anything rhinestones, so I thought that was cute. I just don't know where to put them. There's like glitter in here. It's very subtle though. It's like just like a clear gloss, and the packaging says Bratz. Honestly, I feel like a lot of this is like you get it for the packaging. We have 2 eyeliners, pink and purple. I don't know if I'm gonna use the eyeliners because I feel like they're gonna show up really light. And then we also have one of my favorite Colourpop products, the Glitterly Body Glitter Gel. It's called Glitterly Obsessed. We have a pink and a purple. I will show you guys what these look like because they're so cute. They have like butterflies in them, like little butterfly glitters. Oh my goodness. This is the pink one. This is in Bratitude. Me as a kid in like glitter form. This just makes me so giddy. And then we call my cat Giddy, Gizmo Giddy. Oh my gosh, and today's National Cat Day. Happy Cat Day to all my cat mommies and daddies. Cats are literally angels on earth, and I'm obsessed with my cats. This is the purple one. Oh, you guys, it's so beautiful. The little butterflies, it's giving all the Y2K vibes. Again, hopefully you can see this. But here they are side by side, the pink and the purple. Maybe this collection could have had like a blush or something, but we're gonna start with the eyes. Closer to you. Okay. I'm feeling a little silly, I just worked. What did I do today? Oh, I went to Walmart today in the morning before work, which, you guys, it's the move. No one was there. It was empty, it was peaceful, it was quiet. I was like, this is what I need. Like, I need to come to the store early in the morning. This is the jam. I didn't even realize it has all the names on top of each lip kit. That's really cute. we'll get to those eventually. The liquid liners, I don't know if I did the pink and the purple. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on some eye primer like I always do. You guys know the drill. This is the eye primer from Shop Miss A, so it's like $1. Oh, I have to place a Shop Miss A order. I haven't done one in so long, and you guys know I do a lot of like dollar stuff on my channel, so honestly like it works really well with my content because I do a lot of affordable stuff. So I definitely have to go on their website and look for stuff, a bunch of stuff of course that I don't need, but we will film it for you guys because that is what we do here. And honestly, I really like a lot of the AOA stuff. I feel like they do a really good job on their products. Like I use this eyeshadow primer all the time. Like their stuff is good quality. I'm just gonna go ahead and set that eyeshadow primer, just literally what I do every single time. Guys, I don't even know where to start, but I think I'm just gonna go in with this shade. It's called Dump Him, and I'm just gonna use that as my crease color. It's like a brown mauve. I'm gonna use this as our like blending shade. Oh, and I am doing a look today with my brown natural eyes. I know a lot of you guys request it and you're like, we like your natural eyes, like don't wear contacts, because a lot of times I am wearing contacts. Either I'll wear like brown contacts or my green ones, which are my favorite. But it's never that I didn't like my brown eyes. I always liked my brown eyes. I just like to switch it up. I get bored easily, especially with makeup. It's fun to wear different colored eyes. And honestly, when my eyes are a lighter color, this is gonna sound so weird, I find it easier to like do my makeup. But I've been really into my natural brown eyes recently because I feel like it's just kind of like sultry. Like it's a vibe. Like I love brown eyes. I think they're so pretty on so many people. So I've just been, you know, embracing them. And yeah, so that's what we're doing today. I thought it would be fun for this look, and also I haven't worn my natural eyes in a while, so it's all about just like embracing what you have. But like also, it's not to say like what's wrong with like changing things. Like I don't think there is anything wrong with that. Like people get enhancements all the time, or they'll get like lip filler or anything like that to make them feel better, and I don't think there's like anything wrong with that, of course, as long as you don't go like overboard. Like I think sometimes it does get carried away. I'm gonna be honest, like sometimes like I will keep it real with you guys. Like I actually like the look of lip fillers. I love like a full lip, but sometimes it's just like it's insanity. Like it goes a little too far. I'm not trying to be like judgy, but all that to say, like I don't think there's anything wrong with wanting to wear colored contacts because you like the way of a certain look. But also I love like natural anything on people, like, you know, but it's fun to switch it up. There's nothing wrong with that is what I'm saying. I feel like I haven't like changed anything on myself. Like I haven't gotten fillers, I haven't gotten Botox, although people have accused me in the past of having fillers, and I'm like, excuse me, like okay, I'll take that as a compliment. But yeah, so I've literally never touched my face. I have never even gotten a facial. Actually, my sister got me a facial for my birthday, which I'm excited to do because I have never gotten one before. So yeah, I've made it a long time without like changing anything about myself. So I'm like, just let me have my fun is what I'm saying. Guys, what should we do? Am I feeling pink? I'm kind of feeling pink. I'm kind of feeling the pink. The gold is really pretty though. Ooh, oh my gosh, the gold. Sasha is stunning. Stunning. Okay, but I'm kind of into this. Oh my god. Okay, I might do the pink. This purple's really pretty. Oh, you guys, it's so hard. Is gonna move a little closer so you guys can see my eyes better. I'm gonna take this shade, Express Yourself, and by the way, I will link all this stuff down below on the Colourpop website. This is Express Yourself, and I'm gonna put this, it's just like a matte pink. I'm gonna put this right in the center. You know, this would be, Halloween is soon. This would be a cute Halloween idea to be like a Bratz doll. Oh my, actually I should be getting inspo from the girls. It's like cut crease, like they have like intense makeup. Okay, so we're trying to look like a Barbie doll. So I hope this doesn't stain my eye. So stinking pretty, I'm gonna take She's Iconic and put that into like the first third. A snack break. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that pink shade, She's Iconic, which is so pretty, and I'm just gonna put that right on the like first area here and blend it into the pink. my gosh, this color is so stinking cute. I love these like pearly pink shades. They just make me happy. Don't worry if they like you messed up that crease shade. Honestly, the crease shade is just like there for blending, not really like gonna be an important part of the look. Wet my brush just so you guys know, just to make it a little bit more volume. Stepping out, it's so funny, like they have like a really heavy like wing, outer V wing, and they all like have black, it looks like, which I guess that's why they put the black in here. It is a going out themed palette, so more for nights out. That's the whole collection. So I'm just gonna take some of Steppin' Out, and it's like an eggplant purple, and I'm just gonna do kind of like a fun little outer corner here because it's Bratz, why not? You can go a little crazy. They all have that very exaggerated look, so I kind of want to emulate that. Like mine's not going to be as intense because there's just like a really sharp. I do want to take a little bit of this purple shade, Girls Night Out, and I want to maybe pop that right on the center here, just because I want more glitter. The more glitter, the better. Crazy lashes today, guys, because I just feel like Bratz, that's what Bratz is all about. Yeah, it needed like that little more extra. And then I feel like, yeah, we're gonna put some of that purple on the lower lash line. It is so nice, can I just say, to have my hair up in a ponytail when I'm filming and not have it like in my face. I'm like, this is great. I have to do this more often. It's just easier when my hair is straight to put in a ponytail. When it's curly, I feel like, I don't know, like you don't really put it up as much, or when it's like wavy, because then it's just like so big. So I'm just gonna take a pencil brush and I'm just smoking out the lower lash, and I definitely want to put black into my waterline. Okay, you guys know my signature. I always put white in the inner corner, so we're doing that again because I feel like I have to. It just always looks good. At least I think so. Okay, I'm going to add some mascara. This is the new Hard Candy Make It Double Mascara. There's like two sides to it, and I'm using the natural brush side. Am I crazy? I forgot to put on eyeliner. You're joking. There's no way I could forget eyeliner. That's insane. We're gonna do black. I don't want to do pink or purple because I'm already wearing pink and purple on my eyes, so I don't think it would even show up. The eyeliner, I'm gonna take it all the way to the inner corner because the girls have that like that drawn in look. So funny with my eyeliner. Let me know if you have the same thing. Whenever I don't want it thick, I make it thick. But a time like today when I'm like, oh, I could go more dramatic, I'm like, it's not that dramatic. I'm like, it's always like the opposite of what you're planning on doing. Okay, liner is on. It is a slay. I love how it came out. I love the like drawn in like cat eye look. It is just, it's so fun. I feel like the Bratz dolls have like a half lash, so I'm thinking of doing this Ioni half lash in Bougie just because I love half lashes and I feel like it goes with the look. And Ioni lashes, you guys know, are from Dollar Tree and they are $1.25. They're amazing. So we're gonna go with this, and they're honestly just easier to put on. This is Wispy Natural Short Spiky Curl. Say that 5 times fast. Oh my gosh, we have to do the glitter. I'm thinking we're gonna do like the chest area. Now that the glue is dry, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this right on to the corner. And pray it sticks. That's what always happens with lashes. I'm like, please stick, please look good. Okay, those are so cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm actually gonna have to stock up and get more because they went on so easily, and it's just like the perfect It's like the perfect amount. Okay, I do need to go ahead and do my foundation. Obviously there's no like blush or anything, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then I'll come back and we will play with what's really all that's left is the lip kit. So I will be right back. Okay guys, I look completely different. Well, not completely, but my face makeup is on, and we went a little bit ham because this is Bratz Doll makeup, more of an intense contour and highlight because I feel like that's Bratz Dolls. So let's move on to the lip kits. I should actually put on some like chapstick before this. Okay, I'm just kind of making sure my lips are prepped. Now to decide which one of these to do because they're all cute. I don't want to do anything too dark. Like I feel like this one might be too dark. This one looks a little, maybe this one. Let's do this one. It's Sasha. Let's try Sasha. I love Colourpop lip liners. I use them all the time. The So Juicy one is like my favorite. So one thing we know about Colourpop dolls is that their lips are juicy and plump. So we're gonna have to overline and we're gonna have to make this look like a Bratz doll. So let's go in. This is called Bunny Boo. Love that color. Now I think this is a, oh, it's a lippy stick. Oh, she's pretty. This I think is a good color. Yeah, I like this because it's not too dark. I don't want to go like full on dark. Although I feel like this dark one, or is it this one, I feel like is really pretty for fall looks, are really glossy, like looking at the artwork. And like this is glossy, but I guess that's why they did this one, the plumping gloss. We could put this on top. That's really nice. I like that, but I do want more gloss. This is in Girls Rule, and oh my gosh, this is so cute. Actually, there is no glitter in here. Okay, we're gonna add this. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, yeah, this is giving Bratz Doll, the extra gloss. The fun eye look. Honestly, I feel like I could have maybe even went even crazier with the eyes, but I feel like this is good. Lips are so Bratz. Like I'm looking at the picture and at my makeup and I feel like it's pretty accurate. So, and the face, I really like all like the contouring and everything. So yes, you guys, let me know what you think of this look, and of course I will link everything down below. I had so much fun doing this. I love this like doll makeup and I just think it's so fun, and Bratz is always a good time. So, and the glitter, oh my gosh you guys, the glitter, like everything is so much fun. Let me know what you guys think of this collection. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.